You know, it's not all of a business, so we can't have a business, so you have to go and ask me that.
Hey, girl, I mean, you want me have to do everything. Please tell me.
So, no, I'm 1 day off today. I'm here to tell you, so I'm try to reach out of the mall because you know, see, alright, at China came party in the come over.
But wait, how you said to me?
And what say, alright, I load something that.
So I can never did I go from yesterday.
I'm on the day off today, girl, so I have to go from now.
So you're gonna make him carry you go flea market?
No, sir. Mall and Millionaire, because them have some hot things out there, seal out there today, so you don't know.
We know you have your dirty money, girl. Go ahead.
I don't like me have no money. I don't like me have no big money. You know what? I think me have go some bums and call you and Denzel because he might look. Oh, I forgot to tell you this. You and Denzel he might look me from what here?
You mean the one who drive the bad Infinity?
Yeah.
Kick out, my girl! Some women look here and see me the other day and never look me.
What you mean if I look me? You mean if Denzel look me? Him see me over there, boy, I tell us I don't know which one of them give me number, but me I tell us from that you just ring on my phone straight.
But what you said to me?
Look here, come off of my phone right now, me go call him right now.
But wait there, you know, say me here say him have some money, you know.
What you mean if me know say the boy have money, me know say him have money, but a whole pack girl him have.
Girl, no watch no girl, take the money, girl.
Me don't want me to try him today because I say for the rest of the year I will see her right and money up front.
But British, you know say you're real champion girl, you know. That's why you and me apart.
Come off of my phone, man, little more.
We want the full details, so make sure call me later.
I'll call him.
Alright.
And 6 camera, all I get loud, you know. The man thing I get loud. Me not tell about 2 girl on me the other day. I be there with a girl on she a call man. See that? Hello?
Hello? Hey, baby. What going?
What's up there, though?
Where I don't know, you busy?
Not really, talk to me.
I don't want to go to the mall, me I say, I don't know if you could have carried me.
So come pick me up, man.
No, but just not feel like drive. I'm on top of that, you know, a long time no see you, so.
Me I found none about, every time?
What? 2:20, you know?
Yeah, babe, me I come pick you up in the next half an hour, yeah?
Half an hour too long, man. Me done ready already. I have on my clothes.
So you want me left right now?
Yes.
And dinner and me?
Yeah, no, nothing too. Could I go have dinner too?
Alright, may I come pick you up in the morning, right here?
Alright, hurry back home.
Okay, baby, see you soon.
Alright, baby, see you in a few. Hey! The boy I take me around to make a sad mistake. I'm going to spend some of the money on me here, so him have. This. You think this one look nice, mommy?
Baby, get your one. Get your one. You know what, baby?
No, babe. I'm alright with these, sweetheart. I'm alright with these. Damn.
Okay, this will be all. How much? Huh? Okay. Okay, have a good one, alright?
Thank you. It was nice, baby. Thank you.
So, babes, can't come in a little.
No, not right now. We're gonna do something now, man. Later or something.
That's cool, man.
Come on, stop pushing me. And next time, you know, say alright, I'm good with me already. And next time, see?
It's cool, man.
Just cool, man. And next time, yeah? Shut one and stop bad, so. We said the boy spend up a bag of money out of the ball. Come here, come wait to come in. Come call you, girl.
Him spend what? Him not the brother.
A long time you want peace, but no, baby, you can't get this, so me tell a man that.
No, sir. No, sir. Not getting yet. Not getting yet. Rinsing some more.
Right. But if him can't come in. Little more China girl party, me turn right up, baby, I mean, if you tell him about it.
Yes, girl. Me have to come turn up the party, you know. So you get here and outfit?
Yes. All lingerie in a Victoria's Secret. Because I never plan for the Victoria's Secret, but I see him turn in a Victoria's Secret. I say, if him think him about them bag, you have to take it off and me make a sad mistake.
Look like you find a bring stroke. You don't know, say I'm bleaching cream I put on my face right now, so come off of my phone, girl.
Yeah, man. I'll cook my dinner.
Me glad for you.
Later. Denzel, wait there so long, I don't want to hear them sell off for me, you know. Remember, say I put in here for the Christmas. Yeah, me a rent a dread, me no business where you want. Say, come on, man. Stop running with me, man. Me never know you're out the door. Baby, me like them, you know. Well, yes. I said it here, what I want. I'll catch you. I can't wait to do my hair. Yes.
480 is your total.
480? Oh my god. That's a lot. But
Baby, that is not too much.
anything for you, baby. Anything is okay, you know? Thank you. Have a good one, alright?
Thank you. Hello.
Welcome to the grill.
I was the one that called to order the fish.
Okay, hold on. You need a bag with it?
Yeah, I need Thank you.
How much is it?
right now, man.
You are doing. I know, say last time I noticed when you are supposed to cook you for them on the phone, see I'm a killer in the car, you ask me not bring nothing to your table.
I'm tell you back, bro.
No Bigfoot. Every time me a cooking, find himself come on my yard.
Hey, you know easy at all. I said, the one dancing in me, I tell you say, he come like, he tired of me now.
Talk the thing there, my girl.
Yes, cause me I say, it must say, look like a somebody me I look for in your mouth. Cause me I tell you say, yo, a bare things me get out of me I tell you say, I'm just a hold him off straight. I get to the point where I come like, say, sorry for him now.
But British, I know nothing for your bossing, you know.
Yeah, me know nothing, yo. It's good to be still, to the way I go on now, me I tell you say, come like, tonight, me just want to give him a little piece tonight. Cause me I tell you say, he might go a bad man to be frank, I don't want him stop this wedding.
So how you feel about him? You like him?
Me don't even know if me like him. Me don't know. Me like him, yes, but me don't know. Me try him out tonight. Me give him some tonight.
Anyway, me I cook down a mackerel for the Bigfoot one.
A little more.
That girl I deal with that. Yeah, brother, I'm looking more at that Pepsi there. And come chat to me about British, because I never know where that tell me like care. Brother, me I tell you say no man. The other day me go over David, you know, brother, and me I tell you say, me never know see I say one British clean, you know, brother. Never know see I say. Yo, me I tell you say me got some bop, you know. Get her number from one I link here. So yeah. Got some bop on me call the girl and we meet up and thing. Yeah man, she a tech talk, but guess what? Look like the girl that go around me do, brother. Like in what way? In what kind of way? What's she there for? Not for cracking a man. The girl that hold me out straight, dog. Serious, dog. Every time I try, brother, me I tell her, say girl, I say, wait. You see me? Right now me feel a way, brother. You see me? But guess what? And tonight she said something for going on. Serious? Right now when me get that, right now me ready, you know, brother. At 3 months, you know. Me ready, you know. Take on the right. Look there. Do your thing.
You say, yo. When the one Denzel him come check me tonight, me I tell you say, if I forgot one day for me, I don't want you to talk about and say what I want body broke on me. If I tell you no, you are body broke. Oh. Right, he didn't reach already.
How on, baby?
Hi.
Everything good? Can I come in?
Yes.
Alright. Looking great.
FILMZ, baby.
Maybe that boring, man. I want to, man. Go in that room, man.
I don't mean I like it, you know.
I like when you be. That's cool, man. Go in that room, man.
Alright, come go in there. Me turn off the TV. Oh, baby. Oh, we have to pick up your clothes already for the
Belly the blacks. I got a call from my baby this morning telling me she's coming over. Says she can't live without my loving, my tender kiss and hugging. Cause she wanna make love on the floor.
I want you to take off your clothes. You're there for AC.
You're not really there for AC, baby.
Sam, I can't even sit down and chill a little bit.
We can't chill, babes, but you know Netflix. Yeah, right now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, so. So. Yeah. Baby, hold on a little bit, no man. You just a rush, so. Yeah, rush too much.
I'm not rush, babes. I'm not too.
So. feel nothing.
I don't know.
You're not ready.
No, man, I'm ready, man. Come on, come on.
Sure.
Come on.
Oh, this feels like you're not stand up.
You don't feel nothing, baby?
You don't feel nothing.
Guess what? One to the laundry that I mean by a Victoria's Secret. Go put them on, man. Why you make you go on something? Go on and come back, man.
So that if you can't stand up now, the laundry, I'm gonna make something stand
Baby,
up.
just put it on, man. Go and go put it on, baby. I'm still, man.
Alright, I'm gonna put on the laundry.
Hurry up and come back, yeah? Can't believe today I'm British, you know? British. Can't believe. You gotta do this today. Why me? Why me? Why me? I'm British. I didn't understand her. And when she put it on social media. Oh, beautiful. Come over here.
You better try and make certain you're ready for me.
I'm ready, baby. I was born ready.
You're the one that needs sheet.
I'm ready for you, man.
Take off the sheet, I'm not going on no sheet. You're the one that needs sheet.
It's your baby, man. I want sheet, man. It's your man. Y'all feel it?
I not feel nothing.
You not feel it, babes? Wait. You feel it now?
Still not feel nothing. Now what is?
Wait there, baby. Let's have a look at patient. You feel it now?
Me not feel, but I not feel nothing.
Baby, wait. Me know what. Go put on your red lingerie. The black doesn't kill me vibes.
But what kind of foolishness are the black lands? You know what, come off of me, boy. Me not have time for them.
What you talking about, baby?
Me not waste my time. You waste my time. Come take your clothes them and go.
Baby, you're school, man.
No, sir, me can't bother with
Put on your red lingerie.
Take up something them and come out.
Baby, you're school, man.
No, sir, this is a waste of time. Come out and play. Look here, I one thing me have to tell you. You see the man them we are run down the man. I want to hear from the show. Them look up in me skin and stand up. And that's one thing me have to tell them. Red.
Baby,